Hello, my name is Alex.
Hello, my name is Betty.
This is my father.
This is my mother.
Hello everyone.
The
The
spider's
spider's
web.
web.
Hello, little ant. Come dance with me on my web.
No, my father said it must never touch your web.
So the ant went to work with his little ant friends.
Hello, caterpillar. Come dance with me.
Ladybug.
Hello, ladybug. Come dance with me on my web.
No, my father said it must never touch your web.
So the ladybugs went to play with her ladybug's friends.
Hello, dragonfly. Come dance with me on my web.
No, my father said dragonfly must never touch your web.
So the dragonfly went to fly with his dragonfly friends.
Hello, caterpillar. Come dance with me on my web.
No, my father said caterpillar must never touch your web.
So the caterpillar went to eat with his caterpillar friends.
Hello, grasshopper. Come dance with me on my web.
No, my father said grasshopper must never touch your web.
But you love to jump, and on my web you can jump up high.
The little grasshopper looked and looked. He didn't like to jump, and it would be so much fun to jump on the spider's web. So he jumped.
Aha! Jump, grasshopper, jump. My web will not let you go.
Help!
Called the grasshopper.
Mother, help me!
They can hurt you, said the spider. You've been a very little frog, or little frog. They cannot touch my web.
I will help you.
Said the very nice friends.
But good bugs must little to their father and mother. You can work with an ant. You can play with a ladybug. You can fly with a dragonfly. You can eat with a caterpillar.